Okay, so now we reach to the lights, and as you can see,
there are two paths again. Should we choose the right or the left?
two paths, man. It's one path.
Oh yeah, sorry.
But that
it looks like two paths.
Yeah, it looks like.
Yeah, you see? It's very steep. You see?
There's two ways. Should we continue there or straight?
Maybe straight.
Okay, let's go. Do you want to run away? Not run away, I mean run.
No.
What?
It's too slippery here. As you see, this is what we call out in the wild.
Yes. Our art teacher asked us to do some art project about dream, out in the wild, adventure and sightseeing.
Yeah, good.
So me and him, we both pick out in the wild, because we believe nature is everything to us.
Yeah.
Even if it's a desert and there's not much living there, but it's pretty much out in the wild, right?
Yeah. I agree what Syafiq statement. And now
We are going down the hill, and it's very rocky and slippery. Okay.
wow, the gravity is pushing us, and now we're reaching
Somewhere.
Yeah, somewhere over beach.
Whoa!
Yeah, that's a beach, isn't it?
Okay, let's run.
Whoa! No!
Whoa!
Whoa!
There's two paths again.
No.
But that path, let me zoom in a bit, is into the car.
Yeah.
Into the main road. So I think
We should pick the right one.
Yeah.
Right one.
now my stomach is feeling quite hurt.
Yeah, that's
No,
too
that's
much insect.
fly. Big fly.
Okay, why are we turning a U-turn now?
Okay.
As you see, all the
Never mind.
leaves are
We
white.
meet at